frenemy, enemy. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. Frenemy, enemy. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. Frenemy, enemy. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. Frenemy, enemy. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck.
I think the problem is they get a lot of idiots come in, you know. Let's have a look. I got a card for you too.
No.
For you.
Thank you.
Oh, you don't even want to open it.
No.
It's okay. You can actually.
I thought you were afraid of the opening the bag.
I can cut it. It's okay.
Paris. Ah, right.
Okay. I want to have fun with you, you know. These gifts aren't free, you know.
Thank you.
So I got there about 12 o'clock, just before 12. So it wasn't as busy as last time we were there. And she had it already.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, she was fairly... Excited or not? Tell me how excited. Excited. 1 to 10. 1 to 10. Give me excited. Are you as excited as when we got our car? Or not?
Yeah.
More excited or less?
Oh, the car.
You didn't care. What do you think? So just before you open, what do you think it's going to make you happy or not? What do you think?
Yes.
Happiness? Long life together?
Yes.
What do you think? Excited? Were you dreaming about it? Thinking about him coming today or not?
Yes.
What did you think?
Exciting. Pink.
Don't lose that bag, by the way. She said, because that's a Hermes bag, you know?
Yeah. It's beautiful.
Look at that. What do you think? What do you think?
It's really good condition, huh?
Oh, it's amazing. What do you think of him? Have a look. What do you think? You can take that off now if you like. Take that hook that this here off, because it just threads through. Just threads through there. Just take that off. We'll take it off. Yeah, because I don't want to put pressure on the bag. What do you think?
Beautiful.
Have a look inside. He's gorgeous. You see the handles are in great condition too. They were wearing twirlies. You know the twirlies?
Nice red inside.
What do you think?
It's beautiful, isn't it?
What do you think of that? Is it better than the other one, or how do you feel?
Condition might be better.
She said her dream one's the black one, she said. That's the thing for the lock.
Right, yeah.
So I'll grab that.
beautiful.
What do you think? Is he beautiful or not? So you can actually tuck that in at the back. It folds in here like that, completely in. Because that's the whole idea of this bag. She explained to me how to use it. Because you can actually carry it like this.
Yeah, that's right.
So you can access.
Put this here.
Yeah, that's what she said.
Yeah, otherwise.
So what do you think? The Birkins?
It's good condition, isn't it? Normal.
I think that leather's no, but that leather is harder than the other one. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So there we go. That's it. What do you think of him?
Beautiful. Try not to touch the handle.
Yes.
It's beautiful, pink.
And there we go, guys. The two Birkins together. A pink Epsom and a black Togo leather. So that's the pair. And I got to tell you, this was a pretty surprise purchase. And these are beautiful, beautiful items. Absolutely beautiful. And you can see why Hermes is such a gorgeous, well-respected maison. They're high quality, the best of the best, and you just can't outdo Hermes. The leather, it feels amazing. The colors are vibrant and just spectacular, absolutely spectacular. So guys, tell me what you think. Put some comments below, and thank you for watching Elite Luxury.
Feeling me, any me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. Feeling me, any me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. Feeling me, any me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. Feeling me, any me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me.
I'm about to go Goku. Leave on my head is red like old news. Yeah, trying to get the green like it's Whole Foods. Couldn't take my style and now you so blue. Yeah, we don't even know you. Your hometown, we don't need go to. Trying to get it worldwide, global. Looking like a show you be killing this is go-to. Skrilla, the whole man killer. Life so free, can't no man kill 'em. Came from the bottom, was a broke man girl. Still move like Tin Man with no found window. Boom, pardon me, I get hectic. I survive through the wreckage. You should go look for the exit. New sheriff in town, I get a little reckless. Missed the memo, go check the message. I ain't then came